It's supposed to wait, but I'm not. This is extremely hot. Look at it. But I come prepared this time, right? I know some people are like, oh, you should wait, let it cool down, camera light. No way. And look at all this cheese. We're going in hard this time. Come on, get it. Oh no, it's seeped out the side. Hold on. I can't wait. Holy fuck, is that not? Oh no, I split it. Oh. That is so hot. I'm gonna just get that. Oh, mother. I just want to get loads of cheese in there. Do you know what I mean? But I didn't get a big enough. Please don't split. That looks a state. It's fine because we're going to work with it. And sometimes things don't turn out the way you want them to. Hold on. That's an absolute mess. And do you know what it is? I can't wait. I cannot wait. Hold on. I cannot wait. That being in the kitchen, I'm hungry. My mind's not letting me. So I've got some of this. Just mix it up this time. Do you know what I mean? This is going to be boiling. Look at that cheese. That is something else. That's hot as when I thought. Do you know what? I just can't let it cool down. This is my flipping problem. Like, sort it out. I think I'm going to get a knife and fork. Shall I? There. Oh my God. Sweet chili jam on top of that. I'm going to have to get more sweet chili jam. And yes, I know everyone's like probably like, oh my God, you should have waited. Like, no, tell my brain that. It doesn't work. Look. That with melty cheese. I know it looked better when it had a cheese pull, but it was just messy. Look, I wonder what it would be like with that camembert cheese in there. Shall I let it cool down? Yes. Was it better last time when I let it cool down? Yes. Did my brain let me do it this time? No. Guys, honestly, probably let it cool down next time, but it was nice. Cheese central. I love cheese. If you haven't eaten, eat something. Something tastes better than nothing. This is something else. Did I mess this up a bit? Yes. Could I have let it cool down? Yes. Was it better the first time when I let it cool down? Also, yes. But we move and we get on with it. And it was delicious. You can never have enough cheese. Have a good day.